What's up, guys? It's your boy Gabriel Stokes, and today I'm going to be giving you an instructional video or like a tutorial on how to work with transparencies in InDesign. Now, InDesign has very similar options to like Illustrator. Well, Illustrator is used to like make illustrations and like actual vector graphics. InDesign just used for page layout, but it allows you to use similar effects compared to that are used in Illustrator. So I'm just going to be really showing you guys how to work with transparencies until like with terms like objects, illustrations, and photographs, and I'll show you how to use the effects panel effectively and just generally use it in a document that like any kind of page layout document you're using. Now, just a fair warning, I'm not having my camera on because, well, quite frankly, spring break, and I'm not trying to really do a lot in terms of like, you know, editing wise. I'm just gonna have 8 video files, and they're all gonna, and 7 of them are the steps, and then the first one, which we're on right now, is the introduction. I may do a 9th one if you want to do a conclusion, but really the conclusion, the last step will be the conclusion anyway, so I'm not really worried about that. But like I'm really quick about it. I don't really want to make. I want to make a quick video. I will have like graphics in the videos to show like key binds and all that stuff, and editing, like post production once I'm editing it. But I will be editing this pretty good so you guys can understand what I'm doing. But it's gonna be just a screen record. It's just gonna be screen record on my page and how to work on this, and I'll go with step by step. Now, it may take me a while because, you know, I'm reading off my tutorial list of like the steps that I wrote down, because I wrote down the steps beforehand, and that will be also in a Google Drive of the steps, you know, of what to do. So either way, it's going to take me a while to remember what to do. So like I'm gonna have moments where I'm gonna be stopping to look through the tutorial and all this stuff. So, and I'll put some insight. There's some insights that I could teach you guys, you know, like certain like objects and what certain things to do. But either way, this is the tutorial. I'm gonna end this introduction. I'm gonna start off with the first step, which is getting started with the whole document. So anyway, let's get started.